Hello guys, welcome back to another video where we are documenting how we are going to make our first $5,000 trading. So if this is something you're interested in, please do well to stick around and subscribe. It will really go a long way for us. So guys, this is my dashboard from the $5,000 account I purchased. So we are going to pass phase 1 and phase 2, then get funded. We got funded before, but we ended up losing that funded account. You can check my previous video. So we ended up losing that funded account, but now we are back in it. We can't give up, so we are back in here. We're going to make our first $5,000 trading. You understand? So that's just the goal. So this is the account. We are in $25 drawdown. That's about 0.5%. $25 drawdown, but that's nothing because if you have a good week, we're going to come out from this drawdown and even make massive profit. It's just the risk management aspect. So guys, I'll be going through the 2 trades I took last week and what made me not to be able to come out of drawdown. So guys, this is my trading view. And I trade NZD/USD. About 90% of my trades are NZD/USD. Then sometimes I trade other pairs, but NZD/USD is my main pair. So these are the 2 trades I took last week from NZD/USD. As you can see here, we entered in this level after we saw a break of market structure to the downside. You can see a break of market structure to the downside. After we saw a break of market structure to the downside, we entered in the pullback around this order block area. So we entered here, and this was how we were able to capitalize on this downward move. Yes, this was our first profit of the week. But I fucked up with the account because I actually took a trade which I was not meant to take on this account. So that's what I lost that trade, but this is the trade I was meant to take, but I made a mistake. So when I took this trade, this trade just recovered for the loss I took before. I'll show you everything on my Marvin dashboard. So that's one of the mistakes I made this week. So I'll just be extra cautious next week. Like, I won't set orders on something I'm not planning to take, or you understand, or I won't set orders on the wrong trading account. Because this account, the way I'm trading it with A+ setup. I don't take any other setup except from A+ setup. So this is it, and we were able to go for 45 pips here. We're risking 15 pips as our stop loss, and we went for 5 pips, and this is how we hit 3R. We normally go for 3R. We never go for any negative risk to reward like 1 to 1, no. And sometimes we can go for 1 to 2.5, but normally 3R, 4R upward. That's just how trading should be. Then as you can see, break of market structure. Then we still had another break of market structure here. You can see another break of market structure towards the side. Then I looked at this breaker block here. There's a breaker block here, and this was where I took another trade. And we finally hit TP. But this trade is a fucked up trade too, because I also made another mistake. There's one thing about me: when I'm up in profit about more than the risk I have, I usually put my break even, you understand? So I was about 1 to 1.5, you understand? So that's like halfway to take profit. I'll put my stop loss to break even. But so when price was around this area here, got to this area here, as you can see, because price came down from here and came to this area. So when price came to that area, then I set my break even around here. But when the price pulled back, spread took me out, and this was how I was not in the trade again. But some people in my community ended up catching the full move. Yes, some people in my community, in my Telegram community where I share all my trades, ended up catching the complete move, and they made lots of profit on this. I was unfortunate to not capitalize on this, but just what it is. Sometimes you give trades, but because of poor trade management or some kind of mistakes, you end up not making profit from those kind of trades. So this was how I didn't make money from this trade, but it was a great week overall. 2 banger trades in the trading community, and this was how we ended with 2 trades, 2 wins. So guys, and my Telegram channel is free. I don't do any paid service. I don't have any paid service. I'm just doing it to grow a community, to grow together, because we know we are all young and we want to improve. So if you are interested in this kind of stuff, just join my Telegram channel. It's free. The Tony Trades community. I'll put the link down below. Join is free and something that you can benefit from. And let me just go to the dashboard. I'll show you how my equity went this week. So as you can see, this is our balance here. Our balance $4,978. Yeah, and that's it. So guys, we are in 25 $21 drawdown. Yeah, and $21 drawdown. And I'll just go to my trading overview. Go to my trading overview. As you can see here, there's the trade, 44% win rate. I haven't been trading at my best recently, so that's just it. So this is my dashboard. This is proper risk management. You can see my best trade is $77. So I always go for 3R. And my worst trade is actually $31. And I guess it was because of the slippage, because normally I risk $25, but slippage, I think it was on NZUSD. It was a huge news release last week and I got slipped out for some extra losses, but that's just it. So I don't know where the equity curve is. I think it's in dashboard. So this is my equity for this is my equity. As you started here, then we went up, came, then we entered drawdown, then we actually came to break even before we came downward. So we are just about break even. So we are in 0.5% loss, but that's just it. If we can have a great trading week, we're going to make the money back and we're going to make extra profits. So I don't know, if you have a great week, we will be looking to pass this account, because once I'm in profit, 2% profit, then I'll go back to my standard 1% risk. There I can capitalize on my winning trades and pass the phase faster. So the goal is to pass phase 1 and phase 2, then get to the funded stage, get multiple payouts and scale up, buy new accounts. Then before you know it, we make our first $5,000. So if it is something you're interested in, do well to like and subscribe to help the community and to help you grow too, because we are all like-minded. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.